video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a no makeup look, like a natural makeup look, which is the makeup look I do pretty much every time I wear makeup. So yeah, I thought I would show you guys how to do that because why not, right? Right. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on chapstick. I use Blistex. Because if you do want to do a no makeup look, that entails not wearing foundation. And if you're not going to wear foundation, your skin underneath your base needs to be better than you normally would, right? The first thing I use is this. I already washed my face and I have nothing else on my face. It's the Simple Sensitive Skin Toner. I usually do this with a cotton ball, but I forgot to get one. So I'm just going to put it on my clean hands and just kind of... Now, if I'm being completely honest, I don't know what this does. I use it because I see a lot of people use toners and I feel like I should be using one too. So this one says it's a soothing facial toner. It like vitamins for your skin. I don't know. But after I use that toner, I use this face oil that's actually from a small business on Instagram called Brazilian Meat, which I'll have their and their links down below. I bought this like a week ago and I've been using it every day on my skin and it's been making my skin way more hydrated. I've actually been like paying more attention to my skincare and trying to actually take care of my skin because I never do that and I feel like I should. So I just take the little dropper and just do a few drops like that, and I put it all over my skin. I focus it around my nose because that's the driest part of my face, and then my forehead too. I really make sure, because ever since I started using this underneath my makeup, it's been so much better. Like usually when I wear makeup, I guess I only like put this thing, like moisturizer on, and it's not enough because I have dry skin and my makeup starts to crack. But since I used this the last time I wore makeup, my makeup did not crack and it looked so good the whole day. Recommend, highly recommend. So this is not sponsored, by the way. I just really like the face oil. I use the dry skin one. I'm not sure what the name is, but if you go on the Instagram, because you know, dry skin, but there's like an oily skin version and a sensitive skin version. So put that all over my face to really moisturize it because my face needs it. So after, my cat's trying to get up on my little table here. This looks really busted because it is. But I use the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Face Lotion with sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important, people. If you don't use sunscreen, you will cause premature wrinkles on your skin because guess what? The sun ages you. So you have to moisturize every day and always make sure to get your neck because the first things to age are your neck and your hands. So while you're at it, put some on your hand. So after I have thoroughly moisturized my skin, like moisturizer on my nose, this is what it looks like. Very shiny, very glowy. So next thing we're gonna use is primer. Another very important thing. I use the Maybelline Master Prime one. I use the Hydrate and Smooth one because again, dry skin. I overhydrate, but you know what? Why is she looking like that? She looks so confused. Are you judging me? It's the rain, it freaks her out. Anyways, I keep getting distracted, sorry. But this is the primer I use. Just put some like that. And then I usually focus it again on my T-zone because that's the area, like right here, right on this crevice of my nose is where the makeup always flakes off. So I make sure to really get it in there underneath the eyes because there, sometimes it gets really dry there. Now my face is primed and ready for the makeup section. Well, I guess primer is makeup, right? I usually go between, sometimes I'll use like just a little bit of foundation if my skin's like acting up, but I feel like today my skin's doing really well because I've been taking care of my skin. So I'm just gonna stick to concealer today just to, do you see that? But I usually go between this Maybelline, it's almost running out. I really need to buy more makeup. It's the Maybelline, I'm pretty sure this is the Fit Me, right? I don't know. And then the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I go either between these two. I think today I'm gonna stick with Maybelline just because I'm just feeling the Maybelline, I don't know. So I put it underneath my eyes. I forgot to grab a mirror, but I stick to only concealing underneath my eyes on my eyelids because they're dark. And then sometimes I'll just to even out my skin a little bit. And then the nose, because it's really red. And sometimes there, then depending on my cheeks, maybe I'll just do like whatever's left over and do that. And then I take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, which I've already dampened before this started. You see, I prepared, and I just kind of, I wish I had a mirror so I could see better, but I just blend, you know. I have to get real close to you because I can't see what I'm, can't see what I'm doing. I make sure it's really well blended because you just gotta blend. Then I dab like it's 2016. When was that a thing? Was it 2016? I honestly can't remember. That's it for concealer. Now for powder, I'm extra careful on powder because, again, don't want to dry out my skin, but I probably shouldn't be using a Stay Matte powder. But that's the one I have. It's a Rimmel Stay Matte in transparent. And I take this and I try to focus it on like underneath my eyes, my T-zone, stuff like that, because on my cheeks and stuff, I do like bronzer and stuff. Also, this brush is a really cheap brush, so it doesn't pick up a lot. So that actually helps so that I won't overuse product. And sometimes, because underneath my eyes needs a little more help, take a little bit and do that to my face. And then I realize I use a lot of Maybelline products. Don't know why. I guess they're just cheap. And then I take my Maybelline Master Contour and I do a little bit of bronzer because, you know, we gotta warm up the face a little bit. My face is looking a little pale. But it's fine. Then you could see I really use that bronzer a lot. I also just recently started using blush, but we'll get into that. So just take a little bit of that, kind of like that, and just very lightly. I like to contour my jaw so that I look skinnier. But do that. I don't like using too much because, again, this is a natural look. Then the other side. I don't really do like intense contour. I just kind of bronze a little bit just to add some color to my face. I feel like that didn't show up at all, but that's fine. Oh, I gotta make the forehead a little bit smaller because my forehead's a little big. I don't do anything to my nose because I'm pretty happy with the way my nose looks. So I just leave that. And then, oh, I forgot my blush brush. We're just gonna use the same brush because I don't feel like getting up. And I just take blush. The blush is where I shine. I like blush. I used to never be a blush person, but now I love it. And so I take the blush and I just make sure to get it on my nose so that I have that sun-kissed look. Probably should be using my blush brush, but don't want to get up. So after I do that, I just to bring some life into me again. And then that's it for the blush. I'm so cringy. Okay. Then for highlighter, I just use the highlighter that's in this. If I'm feeling fancy, I'll use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finished. But for the most part, I use the cheap highlighter because I save the MAC for special occasions. And I just, oh my god, that does not look that good, but make sure to get it on the eyebrow. This highlighter is not very pigmented, but again, since I'm going for the natural look, it works well for me. And also, I don't know why, I guess because I film on my phone, this looks way, like you could see more of it in person, but there it is. The next thing I do is I'll take a little bit of this bronzer and I'll just put a little bit of it in my crease just to contour, just to deepen my eyes, contour my eyes, I don't know. I saw a YouTuber do it once in like 2012 and ever since then I've been doing it, so I don't know what this adds, but then I take my finger and the highlighter and I just put that. It's like thundering outside, sorry. And then I just put that there to kind of brighten up the eyes a little bit. Take my finger, put it in the inner corners, yeah. And then more on the brow bone because why not? We like to be shiny up in here. And then, that's it for the face and like eyes and stuff. I'll take my, I'll birds fly by. So I take my NYX Dewy Finish, because matte finish does not work for me, and we'll just do a few sprays just to kind of set the face, like so. So that's what the finished face makeup looks like. And now for mascara, I have to curl my eyelashes because if I don't, they won't look good. I can't really see what I'm doing because I don't have a mirror. Oh my god, I really should get a mirror. Okay, that's good enough. I always like to put it on my underneath. Like that. You can see the difference mascara makes. Like, mascara is so important. I'm kind of out of breath because I've been doing the Chloe Ting 2-week shred thing, but I've slowly given up on it. Like, not like the working out section, just the actual program. And I've just been doing other Chloe Ting videos because I get bored of the repetitiveness of it. So I did her full body fat burn 45-minute workout and I only got 50% through, and it really freaking killed me. If you're looking for a workout that will literally murder you, that's the one, because I definitely feel it. And she includes a warm-up in the beginning, and I feel like the warm-up definitely prepped my body because I'm not sore at all. And we did a lot of squats, a lot of like kicks, and a lot of moving around. But yeah, so the final step, I like to finish with lip gloss or a matte lipstick. Today I'm feeling lip gloss. I'm gonna be using, it's like worn off. It's a Stila lip gloss in Glint, I think. I've had this for a really long time. Just to make my lips look glossy. Oh my god, I think I overdid it. That's the finished makeup look. This is my no makeup look that I do every time I put on makeup. So that's how to look snatched. That really lined up well for me. That's the lip gloss. Oh my god, I forgot how much I love Stila lip glosses. These things, look at that shine. I actually just found this. I had lost it. It was like mixed up in my brushes, but that's the finished natural no makeup look. She lives in daydreams with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, make sure to comment. I really enjoy seeing what you have to say about me. You could criticize me, you could roast me, do whatever you want. I really don't care. Subscribe, turn on notifications to be notified when I upload, because I'm still figuring out an upload schedule. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Oh, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I gotta plug my socials at maryaprado_. And yeah, peace, love, bye. He's the first one that I see.